So it's been about 3 weeks since I started DCAing all of my crypto miners into Neoxa. Now, this is my Jazz miners, my Bitcoin and Litecoin ASICs. I have my KS zeros and all of my GPUs all going directly to unMineable to stack Neoxa. Now, the reason I'm doing this, for one, I had this goal at the beginning of the year. It was one of my year goals to get 1 million Neoxa to get some passive income from a master node or a smart node that they have over there. Now, I don't know how to do this. I've never actually created a smart node or a master node. So now what I want to do is kind of go through the options here with you guys. You guys can let me know what you think down in the comments below after the fact. And yeah, let's just kind of see what I've yielded so far and if it was worth it. All right, so quick reference, you guys can see my first video about doing this was 3 weeks ago. This was why I'm mining Neoxa with all of my KS zeros. And if I go into that video, you guys can see right here, I had 507,000 Neoxa as total collateral already. And if I skip forward, that is a value of $1,481.83. Okay, now you guys know I'm mining everything, all of my GPUs over to unMineable on the Lithium Blake 3 algorithm, getting paid out in Neoxa because it's super simple and easy to do. You can see my Antminer and my L7, they're both going over there as well. My Jazz miner is also going over there, and my KS zeros. Now I have 8 of these up and running. I have a 9th one that is the original. I got to get that going, but nonetheless, you guys can see this is going to be my last payout, and you can see all of the workers here, KS zeros. I have the SHA-256 Bitcoin miner, the Script miner, the L7, the ETC miners. As you can see, these are all the Jazz miners. Now, payments. Let's get into payments, right? You guys can see I've been taking an average payout every single day of around 20 to 25,000-ish. I know a little bit higher at some points, but nonetheless, I've been doing this literally every single day, taking a payout. And today I'm just going to wait until it gets to the 30,000 mark because that's where I need to be to get over 1 million. So if we can jump over to my iNodez, you guys can see as of right now, I have 972,883 Neoxa. And this has been a quick climb for me, and I'm actually pretty happy about this. But the thing that I'm more happy about is the fact that Neoxa actually pumped in the last 2 days. So I've been actually mining an algorithm, which is a Lithium or Caspa, and those coins have been appreciating like insanely, and swapping it out for a lower cap coin that has been just appreciating slowly, but not as fast as the other ones. And as you can see, this thing is up over $4,359 at the time of recording, which is fantastic. So awesome. I should be estimated daily earnings around $4.47 per day. Now, I don't know how accurate this is, to be honest. I wish I was keeping track of it, but I didn't even think about making a spreadsheet until it was too late. So it is what it is. But yeah, regardless, I'm at 972,883. I think that this has been absolutely worth it, at least for the time being. But my big question here is, what should I do? I want to know what you guys think about this in the long run. Should I just keep my stuff on iNodez? And the reason I'm thinking about this is because if I look at the daily earnings, like I said, $4.47 per day, or I could go over to this site here, right? This site is actually a site where you can get your Neoxa nodes hosted for you, and you have a daily income right here. It's $5.22 today, right? So this page was just updated, and looking at the hosting costs, right? It says 1 month payment is only $1.99. For one, it's stupid cheap, right? So this is pretty cool that you could just host all your stuff over here, but I don't know how it works. If anybody knows how this works, please let me know. Do I have to put fiat dollars into my account? I haven't even made an account yet to check this all out, but I will at some point. Or do they just take it right out of your Neoxa earnings? That would be way easier for me. But the thing I like about the option here on this is you don't have to worry about it, right? So there is another option where you could actually create your own smart node, if I'm not mistaken. Where is it? Right here. This is the smart node setup. I was actually skimming through it before the video, but yeah, they have a whole guide on Neoxa on how to do the smart node setup or a master node setup, right? This is a lot of Linux shit, right? For me, I'm a noob when it comes to Linux. I can do it. I've done it. It sucks though, okay? It's a lot of work, a lengthy process, but the upside to this is the fact that you get to hold your own coins in your own core wallet, as far as I know. I believe you just send it to yourself and create the node that way. So, I mean, there's ups and downs to each thing, right? So this Pecunia, I have absolutely no idea how to say this site's name. It is literally just a simple platform to keep your them basically hosting your node. But looking at the daily income, right, $5.22, getting back on track here. Looking at this one, it's $4.47. Again, this is with 30,000 less Neoxa. So I would guesstimate over $4.50 per day, which is pretty good, right? I mean, overall, grand scheme of things. Now, the thing that's really killing me here is, do I take it out for an extra additional 50 cents or so over here on this site and throw it here? Or do I just leave it in iNodez and continue to stack Neoxa and allow it to basically just compound and stack and earn more instead of having to earn another million before I can start another node over on this site? Does that make sense? I don't know if it does. Let me know in the comments below if that makes sense to you guys, but I don't know. I mean, this site, iNodez, has been great to me. Like I said, I've had Raptorium on here for like 3 years at this point. It's not significant at all. The value is 89 bucks. This total rewarded, I've actually lost it because it was not compounding. It was actually going to a wallet that I lost. I wiped out a computer and forgot it was even on there. So all these rewards got wiped out, but this is what I've deposited on my own, basically, right? I've earned a little bit since I changed it, but I think it was 56,000 I sent over here. Either way, this has been out in here for 3 years. So, I mean, I've had this stuff in here for about 6 months, a little bit more maybe at this point, right? 500,000, you guys know, as I showed in this video, which was valued at 1481, yeah, 507,000. So, I don't know. I mean, I think it might be worth it to just keep it on iNodez and just stack it consistently, because it's just going to keep compounding more and more and more instead of getting a payout every single day. But I don't know. Again, I would love to know your thoughts down in the comments below. Now, real quick, over here at Neoxa's website, I just kind of want to run through this quick. If people don't know what Neoxa is, again, I'm not getting paid to shill this coin or any coin for that matter. I won't do that. But Neoxa Network Blockchain, this is the title of the website here. This is a play to earn cryptocurrency. Okay, so you can mine it, yes, and you can play to earn. So like they have I believe the game Rust as of right now. They used to have Minecraft. I'm not sure if that's around anymore. I think they have Fortnite, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, here we go. All right, down here we have the games Rust, we have GTA 5, which is 5M. I totally forgot about GTA 5. Dota 2, I don't know what this is. I've never seen that one. And then Fortnite, I knew they had Fortnite. They used to have Minecraft, but I think there was some issues with Microsoft stuff, so not sure. Either way, I think they're going to be adding Pal World and CS2 or CSGO, whatever you guys call it, over to this platform as well. They'll have their own servers where you guys can actually play to earn, which is pretty cool. So, I mean, honestly, I have high hopes for gaming tokens to some extent in this bull run. I think it's going to be a revolutionary thing for younger kids to at least be able to get into this and get their feet wet with cryptocurrency at an early age. And I think it's smart, to be honest. It really is. So, I don't know. You guys let me know what you think about Neoxa in the comments below. Let's go check out the price real quick before we get out of here and just see where Neoxa stands today. Looking like it's 7.75% up. Look at that. It is almost at a half a penny. It is 4.4, so 4/10 of a penny, 4.4 of a penny. Not too bad. I mean, if you look at the max chart, I know there was some bad actors at the beginning, but overall, we've had higher lows every single time this thing's went up and down since this, you know, kind of uncertain area, right? I know my man Andy actually took over this project as a whole, and since he's done that, this has been pretty much on the up and up since that point. So shout out to you, Andy, for being awesome, and I hope this project does go far. So again, I'd love your guys' thoughts on this down in the comments below. I really would like to know, what would you do? Would you guys just get this masternode hosted over at a site like I've just shown earlier? I can't pronounce the name, so I'm not even going to try. And or would you just make it on your own with the whole, you know, Ubuntu, Linux, BS, and figure it out that way, and then that way you can at least custody your coins? Or would you just keep it in iNodez? I would love to know that. So again, comments below, please. That would be amazing. And until next time, I will catch you guys real soon. Peace out.